Hello everyone. Today's video is not going to be a tutorial. This is going to be a warning about a scam that's happening on Facebook. The scam is about two cameras, or actually about a dash cam, 4K ultra HD wide lens front cam, and a 1080p HD cam for the back of your car. Uh, so apparently this has been going on for a few months already. At least I've been seeing those posts for a few months, and I ended up caving in and I ended up clicking on one of the posts, and the post brought me to this website. On this website, you can clearly see two cameras, front one, back one. You see videos that show the front view and the back view. You see a packaging with two cameras inside. You actually scroll down and see what comes in a packaging: two cameras, all of the cabling that you're supposed to receive to connect both of the cameras together. The price is great, and you end up buying it. You receive a email with your receipt, with the price, with the picture. Visit our store. You click the store, it actually takes you to the website where you purchased the stuff. uh, you wait for a month. Your package isn't here yet. You come back to your email, you click the visit our store, and you end up getting to this site. Apparently this domain doesn't exist anymore. If you wanted, you could actually buy this domain for yourself. So yeah, the domain doesn't exist. These people sold a bunch of cams and they quickly closed their website. You go back to their link, you find that link on your Facebook page, you start asking questions, and they go ahead and they ban you from there. So you can't even access them anymore. I cannot even find my original link anymore. So I started doing some research online, and I found quite a few people that also got scammed. There's actually a guy warning, about these China-based shopping scanners, and that's the all of the websites that people have been scammed on. You click on a link on Facebook, and you get to these websites, and you see exactly same cameras in there, same information. Uh, so I contact these people and say, hey, where is my product? I end up receiving my product, and this is what I received. Uh, One camera with a USB and a small booklet came in this plastic bag, not even that pretty nice packaging that they have in their commercial. And the booklet says this camera is only compatible with big screen built-in cars. So I contact them and say, hey, you guys sent me the wrong product. They reply back saying, let us check. They come back again the next day. They say, oh, nope, the product is correct. We will send you the proper stuff. It says vehicle Android navigation special purpose USB HD DVR. It is not what they had in a camera in their commercial. I contact them again saying, you guys sent me the wrong product. They say, sorry that our commercial confused you. We use these commercials to promote our product, and our product is top notch, it's high quality, and you received a working product, so everything is good. I reply back saying, no, your commercial clearly shows two cameras. Everything is there in the videos and the cabling and all that stuff. Again, they said, oh, sorry that the commercial confused you. If you don't want to keep the product, you send it back to us and we will give you 10% money back. 10%? Where is my full amount? Again, I go back to them. This time they want to give me back 20%. By the way, they want me to pay shipping and handling. So by now I contact PayPal, and PayPal wants me to work with them again. They respond back saying, okay, if you send the product back to us, pay for the shipping and handling, we will give you your money back. At this point, I already paid to receive the product. Now I have to pay shipping and handling and to get my money back. So in the end, I'm not receiving the full amount back. And PayPal, knowing PayPal, I had a similar situation with them a few months ago. Knowing PayPal, I'm sure they're going to be on their site and on my site. And I contacted a few people on Facebook, and they said also that PayPal did not help them. So this is going to be another video I make about PayPal, depending on how their help, how they helped me out. I guess the video will explain everything that went on with them. But in the past, they wanted to ship the product back before I could receive the money back, and no one wanted to pay me back my shipping and handling. Actually, PayPal eventually said, if you send us the paperwork, we might give you your shipping and handling money back. So instead of helping us out, they're actually helping these people out. They're encouraging this type of scams from happening, because they don't take the money back from these scammers. They actually want you to send the product back so they could send this product back to somebody else again. So yeah, so this is, I guess it's a warning for people that are on Facebook. Do not buy these cameras on Facebook. Just go straight the Blackvue website and buy it from there, and you will see that it's not $50 there. It's actually more expensive. So hopefully this video actually helps someone, and hopefully that someone that's looking for dash cams will see my video and stay away from this scam. Thank you. Bye bye.